Thank you, Dr. Levine, and thank you all for joining me. As Dr. Levine just said, we're continuing to see a growth in the number of cases of COVID-19 in Pennsylvania. A surge is coming, and the when and how bad that surge is really depends on all of us, what we do. We need to keep doing the things that we know can save lives. For example, we need to continue social distancing. We need to do as much as we can to support our healthcare systems throughout the Commonwealth. We need protective equipment. We need ventilators. We need staff. We're also working to acquire as much equipment as possible, but we've had challenges in purchasing equipment because really there just isn't enough supply to meet the demand. And right now, every state, and many countries for that matter, are looking to build their supplies of personal protective equipment, of ventilators, and the things that they need and we need to fight this epidemic. While we continue to pursue purchasing this equipment through traditional means, we also need to look inwards to ourselves, to Pennsylvania. So on Saturday, here in Pennsylvania, we launched the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Call to Action Portal. And that's going to connect manufacturers in Pennsylvania together to form a supply chain of needed equipment. The creation of the portal will help mobilize manufacturers that are producing COVID-19 related products or supplies, but it's also going to allow us to identify companies that can pivot to produce those COVID-19 supplies. I'm not sure that any Pennsylvania company can produce the ventilators we need as rapidly as we need, but many can rapidly produce components of ventilators, like plastic piping. We have that capability within Pennsylvania, right here. As we work to protect public health and safety and create a robust supply chain, we know that there are manufacturers across the Commonwealth who are willing and able to help. The portal will bring these manufacturers together to work as a team to help us get the equipment we need. Today, I'm asking Pennsylvania's manufacturers, Pennsylvania's distributors, and other suppliers to visit the portal on the Department of Community and Economic Development's website, dced.pa.gov, to report their critical supply chain capabilities, what their needs are, what their workforce gaps are, or what they see as opportunities in this process. The portal was developed through a joint effort between Department of Community and Economic Development, the Pennsylvania Manufacturers Association, Pennsylvania Chemical Industry Council, the Ben Franklin Technology Partners, the Hospital and Health System Association of Pennsylvania, the Industrial Resource Center Network, the Life Sciences Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania Life Sciences Greenhouse, and the Pennsylvania Chamber of Business and Industry. Manufacturers, the point is, manufacturers in Pennsylvania can play an important role in preparing and protecting our Commonwealth.